Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel K-Maths Academy students. Today I am going to discuss about intersecting lines in three-dimensional geometry. Okay, students, three-dimensional geometry में intersecting lines से related क्वेश्चंस हमेशा कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस में पूछे जाते हैं. ओके, और अभी मैं 2-3 क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करूंगा जो पीजीटी एग्जाम्स में पूछे गए हैं. ओके, और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात इस वीडियो में मैं आप लोग को बताने वाला हूं कि इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस एक्चुअली होता क्या है, व्हाट इज द कंडीशन फॉर इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ टू स्क्यू लाइंस इन स्पेस, राइट, हाउ टू सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटेड टू इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस इन कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस विदाउट यूजिंग एनी formula or conditions directly. Okay, so video is going to be very helpful to you, right? Watch till the end. Okay, first of all let us understand the concept. What are intersecting lines, right? See, now lines like this are said to be skew lines because they are neither intersecting nor parallel, right? This one is the shortest distance between these lines. Okay, and are said to be intersecting lines if this shortest distance becomes 0. Okay, intersecting lines, two lines like this are said to be intersecting or they intersect in a point if shortest distance between them becomes 0. Okay, remember here this is line 1 and this is line 2. This one is the shortest distance between them. Okay, and these two lines will intersect, then this shortest distance, that is PQ, becomes what? 0. PQ becomes 0 means what? Shortest distance between them must be 0. And when we will apply this condition, shortest distance equal to 0, then we will achieve this formula, right? This one is the condition of intersection of two lines, okay, in space. Now I am going to solve this question. This one is a very important question. This question is from Haryana PGT 2019, right? And I will solve this question with the help of this condition so that you can understand the fact clearly. Okay, the next two questions will be solved without using any such condition and formula directly. Okay, that will be very important competitive point of view. Okay, so let us see the solution of this question, right, with the help of this one. Here we have x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Then this will be x2, this will be x1. So let us put here 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, that is y2 minus y1, 3 minus 2, again 1 minus 3, that is z2 minus z1, that is 1 minus 3. Now here we are looking a1 b1 c1. Here we have a1 b1 c1, that is k2 3. Here it is a2 b2 c2. Right now a2 b2 c2. So 3k2 is equal to 0. Let us simplify this one to get the answer. Now first of all we have to write here 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now this is 4 minus 3k. Okay, and again 3 minus 2, that is minus 1, k into 2, 2k minus 3 into 3, 9, right? And again plus 1 minus 3, this is minus 2. Now k into k square, and here it is minus 6, this becomes 0. Right now to solve, now this becomes 4 minus 3k minus 2k plus 9 minus 2k square plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, and finally this will be minus 2k square minus 5k, or 4 plus 9, 13 plus, that is 25. This equals what? 0. Now let us simplify this one. That is 2k square plus 5k minus 25 is equal to 0. Now that is 2k square plus 10k minus 5k minus 25 is equal to 0. After factorization you will get 2k as a common, then k plus 5, right now minus 5, k plus 5, this equals 0. Finally we will get k plus 5 into 2k minus 5 is equal to 0. After simplifying you will get k is equal to minus 5 and k is equal to 5/2, right? But we have here the integral value of k, and the value of this k will be -5. So answer B will be correct. Okay. Let us see the solution of question number 2. This question is taken from the paper of DSSB, okay, and Rajasthan TGT. Okay. First of all, we will have to express these straight lines in standard form, that is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x minus x2, y minus y2, z minus z2, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2. देखिए इस क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन कितना फास्ट, कितना क्विक और कितना कम समय में, कितना कम स्पेस में हम लोग कर सकते हैं। ओके, तो देखिए टेक्निक क्या कहता है, x2 minus x1 that is 0, okay, and here it is 2 into k, that is 2k, minus 3 into -1, that is +3. Now we are taking plus, here it is 1 minus 0, this is 1, राइट। तो जब भी आप इसको प्लस लेंगे ना, तो नॉर्मली हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ऐसे लेते हैं, लेकिन प्लस लेने पे आप इसको इधर से लो, तो दिस इज 6 minus k, okay, and finally 0 minus 1, that is -1, and this is 1 into -1, this is -1, 2 into 2 what, -4, this becomes what, 0. Now simplify this one to get the answer. 0 into something, 0, this is 6 minus k, minus this is 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. This k is equal to 6, 5, 11. Okay, this one is the answer. Here it is, option D is correct. Let us solve one more question of this type. Okay, this is here the similar type. There are two straight lines, this one and this one, and intersect each other. Then we have to find out the value of k. This question is taken from the paper of West Bengal Central School Service Commission Honors 2016. Okay. सबसे पहले आप इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखिए, यानी सभी माइनस होना चाहिए, x माइनस x1, y माइनस y1, z माइनस z1, बट यहाँ प्लस है ना, तो आप यहाँ पर इसको -1 यूज कीजिए। ओके, और बाकी सब ठीक है। तो फिर देखिए इसका सॉल्यूशन कितना क्विक हो सकता है, क्योंकि ये इंटरसेक्ट करता है ना, तो फिर हम लोग कैसे लेते हैं, सी नाउ 3 minus 1, that is 2, into 3 into 1, 3, minus 4 into 2, 8. Now k minus 1, that is plus k plus 1, क्योंकि यहाँ k है यहाँ -1, k plus 1 हो गया। अब into, जब आप ये वाला लोगे और प्लस लोगे तो इधर से लेना, 4 into 1, 4, minus 2 into 1, 2, right? Now next 0 minus 1, that is -1, and 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 1, -3, this equals what, 0. This equals 3 minus 5, minus 5 into 2, this is -10, right? 4 minus 2, 2 into k, 2k plus 2, this is 4 minus 1, 1, and -1, this is -1, equals 0, right? This is what, 2k, and 2 minus 1, 1, -10, that is -9, this one is +9. Thus we have k is equal to 9/2. This one is the required solution, that is option B is correct. देखिए